Hello everyone, today we will study the addition elimination mechanism. Yes, so this type of mechanism is followed by the halonitro-arenes with the nucleophiles such as alkalis, ammonia or amines. Okay, and this reaction involves two steps. Okay, so first we will see the step 1 for the mechanism. So into the step 1, it is the addition of nucleophile to the aromatic ring. First we will mention the aromatic ring, and that is chloronitrobenzene, and it can be shown as like this. So this is the chloronitrobenzene. Yes, so in this case the nucleophiles, will consider here the nucleophile as OH negative ion. Okay, this will be the nucleophile. So here the nucleophile first add to the double bond of aromatic ring. Okay, and this generates the anion with a negative charge on the aromatic ring. First we will mention this nucleophilic attack takes place to the double bond. Yes, and this step is the slowest step into the reaction, so it is also called as rate determining step of the reaction. Okay, so first we will mention this by the nucleophilic attack. Here this double bond gets broken, and like this we can mention this double bond as it is, this as it is, this will be the NO2. Similarly positive, negative. Yes, now see in this case the attack of this nucleophile here to the aromatic ring, it generates the anion. Yes, so here we can write negative charge or a pair of electrons. Yes, so normally such aromatic anions are unstable. Okay, so however the electron withdrawing groups, this nitro group is the electron withdrawing group, and it helps to stabilize this negative charge by the resonance. Okay, first we will write the resonating structures for this, and it can be written as resonating structures for this will be ClOH. Next, resonating structures can be written as this negative charge will shift this to this in this position, and here the double bond will form, and the negative charge will be shifted to this position now. So here NO2 as it is, positive, negative. So into the next, here mention the negative charge to this position. Into the next resonating structure, see this negative charge will shift these two here next to this. So into the next resonating structure, see how it will be. In the similar way we will write this. The position of double bond will remain same. Now this electron density shifted to this position, so here double bond will form. Yes, similar, and this double bond gets broken. Yes, oxygen negative, nitrogen positive. Okay, this will be also the negative charge because here the electron density shifted towards the oxygen. Yes, next, now see, next once again it is shifted to this and then to this position. Now see the next resonating structure for this, it will be, now it will be ClOH as it is. Next this double bond as it is, now here double bond will be formed. Yes, and next double bond from this position will break and it is shifted to this position, and here we can mention the electron density. Once again, nitrogen positive, oxygen negative. Okay, so these are the 4 resonating structures for this chloronitrobenzene by the attack of nucleophile. Okay, so this step is the slowest step into the reaction and is also called as rate determining step of the reaction. Okay, so by the help of this activating group, which is nitro group, it stabilizes this negative charge and this lowers the activation energy of this step and makes the reaction possible. Okay, now see the second step for the mechanism, that is the elimination of this halide ion. Okay, and this is the fast step into the reaction, and it can be mentioned as by the removal of this halide. This step is the fast step into the reaction. It can be written as by removal of this halide ion, it can be written as removal of chlorine negative ion. And see, now here the by removal of this, here the double bond will form. Okay, and NO2 positive negative. Okay, so this is the first step for the mechanism, which is nucleophilic addition, and this is which is the slowest step into the reaction, so it is rate determining step of the reaction. And this is the fast step into the reaction, which is the second step, that is the elimination of this halide ion. Okay, as here see, benzene ring consists of negative charge and this benzene ring cannot accommodate this negative charge, therefore the halide ion is lost by removing the negative charge on the ring. So this is the fast step into the reaction. And see here, as the both substrate and nucleophiles are involving into the rate determining step of the reaction, so it is the second order nucleophilic substitution reaction, which is aromatic, and it can be mentioned as SN2AR reaction. Okay, clear?